Hello guys, welcome to the city of Manila. Rizal Avenue here. This is Rizal Avenue today. Very busy Rizal Avenue. Welcome to Avenida. Avenida. Hello Avenida. Hello. Ingat-ingat guys kasi maraming mga huli rito. Kapag nag-blink-blink na, stop na. Kung hindi, huli ka. Yes, this is the corner of Recto. Corner Rizal Avenue. Yes guys, thank you for watching. Yes guys, welcome to Philippine Rabbit Terminal. Philippine Rabbit Bus Terminal. Tibay ng Philippine Rabbit And welcome to Doroteo Jose here in Manila. Oh, Bataan Transit. Oh, shout out Romel Pascual, na bus driver ng Bataan Transit. Ingat lakay. Kumusta ka na lakay Romel Pascual? Alright guys, thank you for watching here in Santa Cruz area, Manila. Bye.